This is our car crash investigation. For the SUV, we have it going 28 miles per hour. When it hits the car at 0, and then after it hits the car, it'll go 6.3 miles per hour. And the car will go 12 meters per second or 27 meters per second.
Miles per hour.
Miles per hour. And those are the equations. I used this one to find the after velocity, and we used that one to find the SUV before velocity. And this is how it happened. The blue car had a total of 24 meters and of skid marks that helped find the after velocity, and the white SUV had 2. And that is how it happened. And we blamed it on the white SUV because it was Pamela Anderson, and she rear-ended Oprah in the Subaru. And that was an elastic collision, and that's it.
Now show Ethan right there.